Watch ASAP 08 Half a Day Guam at University of Guam Fieldhouse on October 11 po yan, Saturday. Produced by Metro Pacific Productions. For tickets, please call 671-788-0620, 671-988-8090.
Yes. Eto guys, kapag nag-perform itong mga to, nako, showstopper talaga.
Wow, at exciting to dahil birthday din ni Erich. May surprise siya sa inyo ngayon. Happy birthday to you, Erich. At eto din ang mga superhuman pagdating sa music. Here's JR, Chase, and Yang. Nakakilig naman yun, guys.
Ayan, guys, please plug your new show.
Alright, guys,
Yes,
on
my
October
only
5.
hope po sa October 5 na, kaya sana po abangan niyo po kami nun.
Malapit
Of
na malapit
course.
na yun.
At ang kasama namin si Nina Jose, David Chua, Regina Angeles, and Chung Di at si Alex Gonzaga. So yeah, look out for that.
Theme song, My Only Hope by Miguel Escueta.
Ayun, so watch out for that. Up next, Be With Billy. Kasama po niya si Tony, Dynamite Dance Crew, at ang bonggang treat ni Priscilla with Kitty Girls, and Miss Ai de las Alas sa pagbabalik po yan ng ASAP 08.
Yeah! Thank you, Tony, Duncan, and Billy. Grabe, girls. Alam niyo, napaparty mo talaga ako dun. Gusto ko pa ng gano'n.
Ay, nako, walang problema yan, Mel. Dahil ito, mas matinding party ang may experience natin sa mga beautiful ladies ng ASAP.
Correct! Matinding showdown to, girls. Kaya eto na sila, the Kitty Girls and Miss Ai